We're here on State Street in Iranistan in Bridgeport, and the road is severely flooded. Firefighters are on the scene. Looks like a car is trying to get down the street, farther down on Iranistan. And a man in an orange suit is waving him back, but this guy is continuing to come. We'll see if he gets stuck or not. Driving through the rain, but he is using his blinker, so I guess you could say he's somewhat of a cautious driver in this kind of a situation. Wow. The movement of the cars is making waves.
Never ceases to amaze me how stupid people can be. I hope he does.
Do you know how deep it is? Do you know how deep it is?
Oh, a couple, 2, 3, at least 3 feet deep.
At least 3 feet?
Yeah.
Here's another car coming down.